here. Oh god, you guys are horrible. Hey. I'm watching Nina and Minnie fight over here. It's ridiculous.
Huh?
I'm here.
No, what did you just say?
Oh. I'm watching Nina and Minnie fight.
Oh.
You guys gonna keep going? Oh shit! They're standing up. Oh, Minnie's going for the takedown. Nina was just laying it down on Minnie. Oh my god, they look like a couple of kangaroos. This is going on 2 minutes now.
Who's winning?
I don't know. Minnie's trying to make a comeback right now. Nina was kicking her ass though. Oh man, Minnie's got her good.